Hello, my name is Kishore Warrior, and I'm a doctor based in UK. It is my pleasure and privilege to be part of the GrainEd Multiverse camp. Now, you might wonder what a doctor has got to do with this camp. Well, I am in this camp because of some other interests I have outside of medicine, like quiz and music. My primary objective is to do a quiz for you guys. Now, when you hear the word quiz, some of you may be very enthusiastic about it. Some others may be more intrigued. Well, as a quiz master, my challenge is to find a set of questions that appeal to anyone, which I think is nearly impossible. So I shall try to choose a wide range of topics that would be of interest to you. The whole aim is to get your imagination run wild and come up with some calculated guesses which may get you to the right answer. Even if it's wrong, I would be happy if those questions inspire you to look up, read, or research on topics which you may not have thought about or which you are very passionate about. I hope you really enjoy my quiz. If there are any topics which you would want me to cover, please let the GrainEd team know. I'm really looking forward to this quiz. Goodbye.